Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing video here. I went over to Nova Cannabis and I picked up this box of 2 pre-rolled joints. Came from Aurora, the Aurora facility just down the street there. THC, she's labeled right up. We got a THC content of... Oh crap, I threw out my... Anyway, per unit is 91.5, per joint is 91.5 milligrams. 0 CBD. I threw out the garbage picker. Okay, this came on it here. $18.3. They stuck that to the front all professional like. So I paid with a $20 bill. I walked out and that was that. No receipt. No, well, I could have got a receipt, but I didn't take the receipt. I paid with a $20 bill. I got 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50 left, so it came to what, $11.50 for 2 pre-rolls. This is a wild, it's got a custom seal on it even. They print this packaging, I believe, in the store. Print these labels. They print this UPC on here. They don't have, no expiry date has been determined. Keep out of reach of children. You have a lot number on here. Packaged on September 5th, 2018. And, oh yeah, you even got instructions. This is a wild package. Push tab 1 in, push tab 2 in, and you gotta pull. They lock this, they got a custom seal on here. They lock this thing right up. So you push your tabs in here, you pull out, and they even got these plastics, a plastic flap on the bottom of this, and a cardboard flap folded down into the package so it gets jammed up, and you gotta pull that right out of there. She snaps. Your parents are gonna know if you're getting into their stash if you're not too careful. We're sealed. Roll this back here, and there's your 2 pre-rolls. We got what? A cardboard, whoa, yeah, she's fragrant. Cardboard, twisty filter on there. She's rolled like a baseball bat. Half gram. That's what you get. That's what $11.50 buys you. Legal Canadian cannabis. So I made the video short. I'm not going to edit it. I'm just going to post it. Cheers. Happy smoking.